So let's break down the best solution now if you're having dry spots. Down here we have our Rainbird 1800 model, and you can see that this one here has the brown, which is the 12-foot span. Now, if you'll look over here in the corner, this is within the 12-foot area. So we will be adjusting that head so that it sprays out to this distance. Rainbird has these Variable Arc Nozzles. They're called vans, and I purchased 3 different types. The blue, as you can see here at the bottom, is 10. That throws a radius out to 10 feet. Also, it's adjustable, which we'll be showing you. And then brown, and the brown is the 12-foot van. And finally, 15-foot. And this one is the Van 15 in black. And let's show you now how it works in terms of adjusting the middle radius screw and then the arc, which are the dials here on each of these van nozzles. And in these next video segments, you'll see how fine tuning and adjusting can work. If you're having dry spots, first start with a 10, 12, 15, and then adjust accordingly.
Rainbird offers many nozzle options for spray sprinklers with different spray patterns indicated on the top of each nozzle. To replace a spray nozzle, use a screwdriver or needle nose pliers to lift the stem until it can be grasped. Remove the old nozzle by unscrewing it from the tip of the stem. Screw a new nozzle onto the end of the stem. To avoid stripping the threads, do not over-tighten the nozzle. Ensure that the throw pattern is correct by twisting the stem either clockwise or counterclockwise until the throw pattern marked on the top of the nozzle matches the desired coverage alignment. This video describes how to adjust the throw distance. Using a small screwdriver, adjust the spray head's throw distance by turning the center screw. To reduce the throw distance by up to 25%, turn the screw clockwise. To increase the throw distance from 75 to 100%, turn the screw counterclockwise. This adjustment may be made while the water is running. This video describes how to adjust the throw pattern. The throw pattern on a spray sprinkler may be adjusted by replacing its nozzle. Rainbird offers a variety of spray nozzles with set throw patterns, including full range, half range, quarter range, end strip, side strip, center strip, and square. Each nozzle is marked with its throw pattern and throw distance. Rainbird also offers adjustable pattern nozzles. To set the pattern of a spray sprinkler, select a nozzle with the desired throw pattern. Remove the old nozzle by using a screwdriver to lift the stem until it can be grasped. Unscrew the old nozzle from the end of the stem. Screw the new nozzle with the desired throw pattern back onto the stem. To avoid stripping the threads, don't over-tighten the nozzle. Once the nozzle is in place, adjust the spray sprinkler's alignment by twisting the stem either clockwise or counterclockwise until the throw pattern marked on the top of the nozzle matches the desired coverage alignment. To adjust the pattern of a Rainbird adjustable nozzle, set the left point of the nozzle, marked with an L or an O, by twisting the spray head's stem. Once the left point is set, adjust the throw pattern from 0 to 360 degrees by turning the collar at the bottom of the nozzle clockwise or counterclockwise. All adjustments may be made while the water is running.
Flexibility is achieved through the Variable Arc Nozzle, which has an easily adjustable spray pattern from a 15-degree arc to a full circle.
So we've upgraded from the 10-foot, which was blue nozzle, to the brown 12, and it is indeed throwing spray all the way out 12 foot to the dry spot here. So that is your solution for increasing the distance. This one we have the 15-foot on because we need it to go even further, and you can always adjust it down the middle screw as you've seen from our highlight videos. So there you have it. That's how you adjust the van heads, which are the blue 10, brown 12, black 15, fine-tuning it to alleviate and get rid of all of those brown spots in your yard. I also would like to share with you a revolutionary new head by Rainbird It's called the R van. That's right, the R van. Watch here at the end and you will see something that beats every system I've ever seen. Wind is not a factor anymore. Easy to clean, adjust, to set the arc and radius. I've tagged it here in my video. You can buy them right here through us.
You boast about your balance like it's carved in stone, but I've been tuning pH levels right beneath your throne. A drift in salinity, a shift in the tide, a quiet little nudge and I'm pulling ahead in stride. You scramble for solutions while I'm steady at the helm. Victory tastes sweeter here in Aqua Realm.
I hope this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.
Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings.